Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new sneaker haul video. I haven't done a haul video in a long time, so I have a ton of sneaker pickups to show you guys. These were like my end of year pickups for the fall and winter of 2019. I have one more haul video as well right after this where I actually paid resale for some shoes, man. You guys know I never pay resale for some shoes, but I paid resale for a hypebeast pair of sneakers, and I also have a bunch of sneakers from Adidas that I'll show you guys in a huge Adidas haul. But today we have like 9 different pairs of sneakers all here, a lot of them hype. Some of these are really dope Air Jordan ones that just came out, which are still available, so I'll leave links to some of these sneakers linked in the description down below. And I also have a small little giveaway for my people who are suffering through the cold of winter. Way too many sneakers. There's a lot of different brands, so if you are open-minded to different brands in your footwear rotation, you might want to look into some of these sneakers. Some are available for retail, some are reselling for a little bit over retail. And actually I have one non-sneaker pickup I want to show you guys. It is a pop figure. This is my brand new Lifeline from Apex Legends. I'm a huge pop figure fan. I have a few Jollibee ones in the back, a few Apex Legends and Overwatch ones as well. Lifeline, one of my favorite characters in Apex Legends. If you guys want to hang out with me during my Sneaker Talk show, I have a live sneaker show on Twitch. It's twitch.tv/SneakerTalkCA. Drop a follow over on there, and we also play Apex Legends when we're not talking about sneakers. All right, let's get to these pickups. Now, some of these I've been wearing for a while now. I've actually been getting a lot of use out of these ones. So starting off with this Adidas box right here, we have a black UltraBOOST box. Now they're starting to release some UltraBOOST in this black box instead of the purple yellow one we're used to seeing. And this is a retro UltraBOOST, you could say, one of the very first ones. And here we have it. I actually wore these in the Philippines a little bit. These are the UltraBOOST 1.0 Solar Red. These are so ridiculously loud. This is like a shoe you will really enjoy running in because they'll break every single neck that you cross while you run. They make for really great gym shoes as well. It's just this bold, loud shoe color, the bold, loud color I really love on UltraBOOST. These of course also came in a pack with a yellow version, and those were actually on sale on Essence's website. They were like $100 off if you were size 8 or 8.5. But yeah, I picked these up for 15% off retail because I have a little plug. And yeah, I love these shoes a lot. What do you guys think about these red Solar UltraBOOST? You guys like the red ones or the yellow ones? And this isn't even like a pure gym red. This is more like the highlighter red you're used to seeing in your pencil case if you use highlighters. Next up is a hypebeast pickup right here. Probably, I think I made these my Adidas sneaker of the year. If you guys haven't seen my top 10 series, I've been putting out quite a few top 10 videos this last week, so check them out. I'll leave the playlist link down below. This right here is in a human race Adidas box, as you guys can tell. Pop open the lid and bam, here we have it. These are the Adidas NMD Pharrell Hues, the trail runners you could say, because they have that hiking bottom that we also know. And this is a human-made collaboration with the brand that Nigo owns. If you guys know Nigo, the founder of Bape, or one of the founders of Bape. And Pharrell and Nigo have a really strong relationship together when it comes to the fashion industry. So this collaboration makes a lot of sense, and I really love these shoes. And I also love the heart on the shoe. I unds these at the sneaker event or sneaker cultural event in the Philippines called Beyond the Culture. I'll have a vlog from there very soon. It's just been sitting on my computer unedited. But I love these sneakers a lot, and a lot of you guys like these as well. Now if you like these shoes but you don't like the high retail price for this shoe, they actually have a cheaper version, the Solar Hue, and you should check those out. I think they're like $80 under the price of this at retail, and there's some even on sale, so check them out. These are again the Pharrell human-made NMD Hues. I love these things. Now I promise we're gonna get to some Nikes and some Jordans in a moment, but the next sneaker I want to show you guys is a Yeezy Boost right here. I'm not sure which colorway is inside of this box at the moment, but of course we have the 350 box right here. There was just so many 350s released in the year of 2019, and this is, ooh, this was one of my favorite releases of 2019, actually a restock. This is the Zebra Yeezy 350 V2. This is by far my favorite Adidas Yeezy of all time, including all the 700, 750. I like everything. This is my favorite Adidas Yeezy and easily the best 350 V2. If you guys agree with me, hit that poll in the top right hand corner. And the main differences between these and the original release is that these have like a white sole, while the OGs had more of a creamier off-white kind of shade to the sole. I got these for retail on the Adidas app. I don't usually get lucky on raffles, so very happy, very stoked I got the restock. And this was such a random restock. This came out of nowhere. Like, we got word, or like Adidas mentioned to everyone on like social media and stuff that these were restocking about 4 to 5 days before the restock, and then it happened. and I won. We'll get to the next Adidas Yeezy pickup in a moment, but before we get to that, I also want to show you guys the small giveaway for today's video. I want to give away a little Puma beanie toque. This right here is a Puma XO beanie, and Puma sent it over last year. I really like it, but I honestly don't really wear beanies. I usually like to have my hair out. So if you guys want this free beanie, just comment in the comment section down below your favorite sneaker from today's video, subscribe, hit that like button, and that's it. That's honestly all you gotta do. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitch, all that stuff to show some extra support, but just comment down below your favorite sneaker pickup from today's video, and I'll mention the giveaway winner in an upcoming video. So that's it for this Puma toque right here. I'll ship it worldwide. Next pickup, we have a pair of Air Jordans in this black box right here. Now in this video, I'll be showing you guys two really awesome Air Jordan 1 mids that just came out. I'm a huge fan of them, and they're actually sitting at many locations. Well, one of them is. The other one is sold out, and this is the one that is sitting at retail stores. So I'll leave links for these shoes in the description down below. But these are the Bread Toe Air Jordan 1 mid. I'm really happy they released a sort of like a mid-top version of the Bread Toes, because there's a lot of people who want those sneakers, but the resale prices are just, let's face it, they're really high, really expensive. Retro 1 highs have always been very expensive resale, and this mid-top is, if you're looking for, you know, something just to complete that look, this is a great alternative. So if you guys actually want to see my top 10 Air Jordan 1 mid video, I'll leave that link down below. There's a card pop up as well. And that video did really well on Facebook. It did like 7,000 views on Facebook, so like me on Facebook, SneakerTalkCA. These right here, Bread Toe 1 mids, still sitting at a lot of retail stores. Link these in the description down below. And yeah, I probably should do a review on these very soon. But anyways, let's get to the other Air Jordan 1 mid. Now, there are a pair of high tops I will be showing you guys in today's video in this red Air Jordan 1 box. But the next Air Jordan 1 mid that I wanted to show you guys is in another black and gold box like this. We'll pop open this lid. And if you saw my top 10 1 mid video, then you know about these. These are the Bread Air Jordan 1 mid. Now I gotta say, this is probably one of the best Air Jordan 1 mids they have ever released. This red colorway, I think they did a really good job on it. The shade of red is a great shade. The leather is actually pretty decent quality if you bring these up close. And honestly, let's face it, the Bread Air Jordan 1 mid is one of the most sought after Air Jordan 1s, and the resale is really high. If you're able to cop these for retail, don't sleep on these. Like, if these are available at a store near you, buy these. Even if you don't want to wear these will have resale value, because a lot of the mids, especially when they have like these sort of OG colors like the black and red colorways, they fetch a pretty good amount. I'll have the StockX for these sneakers, StockX price for these sneakers come up on screen right now. A subscriber actually sold these to me at a recent sneaker convention, so shout out to them. Really appreciate it. So we'll get to the red Air Jordan 1 box soon, very soon. But the next release I want to show you guys is the other pair of Yeezys in this brown box we have come to know and love. So let's pop open this. And these are a very controversial pair of Yeezys. This is a definitely love or hate Yeezy. A lot of people hate these. I, in fact, do really like them. And I did a review early in the Philippines. These, of course, are the Chill Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Now this was a different kind of Yeezy compared to the rest of the ones they released this year. This is the first time they've really sort of experimented with the upper of the shoe, and I just find that very refreshing. A lot of these shoes have become to look the same over this past year in 2019. Many different shades of brown, you could say, and this one really does stand out. You know, this is a nice change of pace, because so many Yeezys, they begin to look the same, and you can basically just have one and you not really need the rest of the other ones in your collection. But this right here, this is a very unique pair, so for that it gets like extra points in my book. Now before we get to the red Air Jordan 1 box, I want to get to probably one of the best like underrated sneakers of the year that I managed to pick up. I picked these up way back in I think October or November, and I still haven't shown them to you guys. So the box is really cool. It's this black and gold box, and as you can tell, it is a Converse release. I'm a huge Converse fan. Chuck Taylors are one of my favorite sneakers, and these right here are not a Chuck Taylor. These are actually a really dope collaboration with a designer named IBN Jasper. He actually has a sneaker brand called something, I forget what the name was, but it was a sneaker brand I showed you guys in Japan. It was like a high-end sort of designer brand, and this is on the Pro Leather Mid. This is the IBN Jasper Pro Leather Mid, and oh my gosh, these sneakers are so unique, man. So unique. There's a really dope zipper down the center. There's hits of gold as well. And this is such a cool formal sneaker. This will definitely suit my style when it comes to my more sophisticated non-streetwear fits when I'm going on like a date night or something, or I'm going to a special event. I don't really like the zipper going down the middle though, with the laces on the side. Probably relace these sneakers with the laces going across like normal. These are really dope. A unique pair of Converse Heat to end off my year in 2019. And the quality on these is superb, and these actually sold out very fast. Final sneaker of today's sneaker haul. If you made it to the end, of course, don't forget to comment down below your favorite sneaker pickup from this haul in the comment section down below, and smash that thumbs up button as well for the Puma Toque giveaway. This red and black Jordan box has become a pretty popular and famous one. At the end of 2019, they of course did the Fearless pack, and this is the only high top sneaker in the Air Jordan 1 Fearless pack. So let's pop open the lid, and there's some cool wrapping paper that we're not used to seeing on a lot of Jordan 1 boxes. Take it out, and ooh, here we go. These are of course the Air Jordan 1 High Zoom. The Zoom Air. It is the very first time, you can see the Zoom sort of Zoom branding right there on the side. This is the very first time they've had Zoom Air in the insole or midsole of the sneaker of the Air Jordan 1 High. So I'm expecting these to be very comfortable. The upper of these shoes is crazy. The upper of these shoes is this all over sort of reflective 3M material, and it's in this like all black sort of you know, this colorway. So these will really pop at nighttime, and these will also crease really painfully. If you guys have seen 3M sneakers like the Jordan 3 3Ms, you'll know how badly these crease, man. It's gonna be painful seeing these. Like usually I'm okay with the Air Jordan 1s getting creased up and beat up, but for this kind of release, it hurts your soul. It's sort of like when the patent leather Jordan 1s crease, those also hurt, and they actually hurt your toes a little bit too. The Nike Zoom Air Jordan 1s right here, you can see the little tag here with the Zoom Air branding. That's cool. It has like this red to blue gradient, semi-translucent sole. Very dope. Not something we're used to seeing. And they actually are releasing a white and gray colorway of the Zoom Air Jordan 1s this year, which look very similar to the Dior Air Jordan 1s. I don't think that's a coincidence, so I definitely want to grab those, and I'll try and get those for you guys for a review as well. I'll beat those up, man. I don't think they use a completely 3M upper. I think it's like a half patent, half regular leather upper. We'll see when the time comes. But yeah, that's the final sneaker pickup. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and I have lots more videos on the way. So make sure you guys subscribe, notification gang, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.